Hey there and welcome. I'm making this video to help you get started with your new OneNote planner. I will go over how to import the planner and how to use it on your device. You will be able to use this planner on any device that can run OneNote. If you already imported a planner or you purchased a planner from a different shop, you can skip to this minute right here to go right into actually using the planner. To import, you will need access to a computer. The first thing you need to do is open the download folder, and you can find the link in the PDF that you get when you purchase the planner. Then open one of the folders, so you can choose Sunday Start or Monday Start, and then download the entire zip. Once it's downloaded, open it and export to somewhere you can easily find your files. I'm going to export to my desktop. The next thing you need to do is go back to the PDF, and in step 4, you'll be able to find a link to actually import the files. Make sure you are logged in with the correct account. When it loads, click Import and find the folder you exported. Mine is on my desktop. This can take a few minutes, so just sit back and relax. Your planner is now ready and you can open OneNote. The last thing we need to do to load the notebook is to click on File, Open, and Refresh. Now click on the notebook you just imported. When you're first opening your planner, it can take a few minutes to load as well, so just give it some time. You can add text to your templates by clicking anywhere and typing, or going to the Draw tab and drawing. This planner comes with a lot of different templates that you can access by clicking on the Templates tab. There's also a Stickers tab with a lot of stickers that are very functional, and I think you'll find them very useful. You can use the planner here, or you can open it on your tablet or iPad. So I opened OneNote, and the planner was already there because I'm signed in with the same account, but if it doesn't show up, click on More Notebooks and load it. You may notice that the planner looks a little different now. The tabs are not on the top anymore and they're on the side. I can go to different months by clicking on their names. I can also access the weeks by clicking on the week numbers. You can zoom in or out by pinching the screen or clicking on View and then Page Width. This way you'll be able to see the entire template. To add text, I go to the Draw tab. I have two options, the same as it was on my computer. I can use the text mode, or I can use my stylus or finger to add text using the pencils. To use the keyboard, I just tap anywhere on the screen and start typing. If I'm not happy with the position of the text, I just tap, hold, and drag where I want it. There is a really good selection of pens and pencils in OneNote. To see the option, tap on the pencil to select it and then tap again to see the options. There is also a built-in highlighter, which looks really cool when you use it on your notes. And if I make a mistake, of course, I can use the eraser. Let's jump into the weekly plan. You can easily access all weeks in the planner by using the index. All of the weekly plans have this particular layout, but if you ever get bored, you can easily swap it out for the other 4 layouts that I have included with this planner. To swap out, go to the week and tap on the layout. You can then click on Cut or Delete to remove it. To add a different layout, I go into the Templates tab and scroll down into one of the 4 weekly layouts. I want to use this one, so I'm going to tap on it and copy. Now all I need to do is go back to the January weekly and paste the layout. I think this is really important because you will never get bored of your weekly planner. There are other templates as well when it comes to workouts, meal planning, your budget, goal setting, etc. If I want to use this daily planner, I can tap on it, click copy, and now I can go back to where I want to paste it, and just like that, I have a new daily layout. If I want to change the name of a page in the index, I can click here and type. Let's go to the stickers tab so I can show you how to add your stickers. When I find the sticker I like, I can tap on it and copy it. Now, just like before, I can go back to a page where I want to paste it. Tap directly on the template and set it as background. We are doing this so that your stickers can go on top. Now I can just tap and paste. The last thing I want to show you is about black paper planners. Sometimes when you import them, you will look at the pages and they will seem blank. This is because you need to turn on dark mode for this to work. And this is the same for all devices. On my iPad, I go to my settings and search for dark. Then I click on Appearance and select the dark mode. Now when I go into my planner, you will see that the pages are starting to show up. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll make sure to respond. I hope this was helpful and I'll see you next time. Bye!